Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you were using your Amazon.com account, you were looking through products and every other detail, but you want to place an order in Amazon Shopping in 2026. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you exactly how to do so, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, we're gonna basically use our desktop. It's the same steps for a phone or a tablet, whatever device you are using. Go and look for Amazon, then tap on basically the website if you are on France or for example, the US. You're gonna go through the Amazon.com, tap on the website, then they're gonna take you automatically to the basically dependent on your IP address, they're gonna take you to the website that you're gonna just log in using your email address and password again, then go all the way and pick your product. So for example, you are going through all of this, you like the product. For example, let's say you want to go through this gaming section. Okay, we're gonna go for laptops for now. Then for example, you like this one or whatsoever, all you're gonna do is basically tap on add to cart. So as you see, one item is added, they're gonna show you the total. All you're gonna do is tap on go to cart here, then proceed to checkout. Basically, use your payment method and apply maybe a gift if you have it or a promo code. Then tap on place order. They're gonna take the payment and send you a receipt on your email or even a PDF. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.